Yo, yo, what's going on? Let me set this up. New York Game Trading. Yo, yo, what's going on, guys? Me get everyone in here. Thank you, Greg. Appreciate it. How is everyone doing? Yo, what's good, Joris? Gonna look for shorts right now on NQ. MNQ. So I'm on micros again. Gonna have to manage risk quite a bit with the current conditions. Let me set this to like 200. So I'm using about like half my normal size, and that's still gonna give me like the same amount of profit. What's good, Joris? Oh, let me see if I could. I think I might not be sharing the chart properly. What's up, crew? So what I was looking at right now was a 2 minute to see if we get an inversion. It looks like we're not really respecting it right now. So what's up, Kingfish? Thanks. Blowing my whole bank account, get back to work. Okay, awesome. Yeah, it looks like we have a lot of volatility right here, and we're not really like respecting anything though. We came up, have took out some buy side. Yo, what's going on, Henry? Looking at the hourly, we're inside of like this hourly fair value gap. Would like to see some more downside, preferably. But looks like we're just kind of sideways right now, so we'll have to wait. Got to see it through, my boy, you know? Naveen, I solely recommend using proper risk management. That's my that's gonna be my advice to you. And when I say that, I guess all I mean is like lowering your size to the proper amount. Your account should last up to like at least like 15 trades. You shouldn't blow your account with less than 15 trades. And not every day is a trading day. And I honestly recommend to most people that they get a second account, even if it's an eval. So you're kind of spreading out your overall risk. That's what I would recommend to you, sir. Excuse me. Okay, guys. We just got closure. I'm gonna just hit sell, honestly. That's good enough wideness for me. Alright, guys, I'm in. You guys could still get in if you want to. Again, closure below this 1 minute. was the overall entry. Am I muted? I was kind of quiet for a second because I'm trying to figure out my software right now. Yeah, I think I'm just like kind of locked in right now. There's a lot going on at once. What is going on with? Hold on, let me do my announcement. There's like no one in here. That's too bad. Can't take any banger trades with me. Only the real ones for sure. Always banger trades. Yeah, we'll see if this NQ trade works out. Overall price looks pretty awesome. ES is running down, so we'll go to break even soon. Passed my account yesterday. It says, "Do I just wait?" Go to go to your metrics, Ian. See if there's like a little thing that says activate account. If not, then sometimes like the account needs to be like reviewed to see if like you properly pass, which doesn't take longer than like a day. But yeah, if you go to that account that you pass, look at the stats, and then like where it says metrics, there should be an activate button. Daily loss limit is just a soft breach, meaning you can't trade for the rest of the day. Yeah. Guys, again, don't use heavy size. We're have some kind of like insane volatility. Would not recommend heavy size. Still in the trade. I'm in shorts. Shorts on NQ. I like to type it out because I know you guys sometimes don't see it. Excuse me. But nothing happened. It should send you. There should be a link, like a or well, it's like a separate payment page, pretty much. In Legacy, my target is 9K. Gangster. I'll just type it out. I don't know if he sees it. The gangster. What's his name? You don't like that we didn't take London High before going down. London Highs is kind of deep though. It's kind of like far up. So I don't know if that's practical, you know? Any trades yet? I'm in shorts on NQ and we're just consolidating. So yes, we are in a short right now, Brando. Um, I have a lot of faith in this trade though. I think as long as ES runs, then we're gonna run. Please explain. Good. Yeah, yeah. So on the hourly, we have the fair value gap right here holding us down, going down to, let's say, the 5 minute. We swept out this high right here, liquidity. Going down to the 1 minute, we inverted this inversion fair value gap, which was the entry pretty much. At the time, we had closed down here, so I just entered. But rightfully so, you could enter anywhere in this area. And we have some beautiful targets in here. We have these lows lined up. Alongside with this, I think this is just the low of the day, which is my overall target. And honestly, we're very volatile. We're very consolidated, but there's still a good chance that we run. But in this case, the best thing that you could do to still catch a good move but protect yourself is to just lower your size, which is what I've done. I'm trading a full Nasdaq contract. I'm trading 4 micros right now, so it's still a good position, Brando, my opinion. Oh, well, I thought when you say London, I thought you're referring to like London High, Henry. So I definitely see like, yeah, we're way past like that opening point. We're way past that. We're already in a discount, but yeah, I get you. Vex, I hope that answered your question well. All the reasons why I entered. Awesome, awesome. How much am I risking? I think around like $300 on 100K. You could see the contract amount. I don't know if this is what you're referring to, Necrofate. You can see my entry. It says -4, so I'm in 4 cells of a micro contract. Man, this is not great price action. I, I mean, I really think we're gonna run because ES is like, looks like it's about to jump off a hill, but see what other targets we have on ES. Oh, we're way past. That's fine though. Because this is how I look at them. London High. Okay, okay, okay. Let me see. Why does my chart look different? Oh, no, no. I'm looking at the wrong one. Yeah, actually, yeah. You know, you're right. We're about 100 points off the London High. That's the same one I was looking at. Yeah, I mean, preferably we would like the main two things that I look for and like talk about in my videos is like you either take out a session high or a previous daily high. And honestly, in both cases, we didn't do that here. Um, but I still like overall think it's a good trade. Just like it's obviously not the most insane one. How do I find live? Let's help this guy out. AME. What do I do? Hashtag. Oh, I guess you can't tag it. We're retracing a little bit. Starting to get into profit, but we'll see how this goes. Oh, okay. Yeah, let me open up my legacy dashboard. I'll show you. Man, we are so sideways right now. Honestly, guys, I'm gonna cut this trade off. Um, I don't think we're just sideways. I don't think it's gonna hit our profit target. I'm gonna log into my account though, show you. It's unfortunate. Yeah, no worries, crew. I'll see you there. Small break even, small loss. It's all right. You think overall? I'm mostly short on indices, honestly. Um, here we go. Okay, so this is like the eval you're doing, right? 159 or sorry, 150k, 9k profit target. You'll see right here consistency. You're gonna want to keep it at or below 50%. The way that you do that is go over here to your best trade. Your best trade, and this actually goes on a daily basis, but your best trade or your best overall day shouldn't be more than 4,500 because you have to make that 9k profit target. 50% of that is 4,500, and your best day cannot be more than 4,500. So that's going to keep your consistency below 50%. If that makes sense. Gangster. You're still holding. I mean, it's moving. Dude, I hate this kind of price action. After you made you have to, so I'm assuming that you're on the eval stage. Once you pass that, then you get a funded account and then you're eligible to take payouts. So after that point, you're going to get a fresh funded account which is going to have zero in it, and whatever money you can make in there, um based on the rules, you could essentially withdraw. What do you mean how is it going to be divided? Awesome, Henry. That's a great problem to have. You probably get so many payouts that they go in the spam folder. You never see them. How do you guys keep out my profit target? Let's say I make how much you guys. So it's based on which eval that or sorry, which account you bought. And let's go over here. So we're gonna have a Rise funded account, and then we're also gonna have an Elite. And since you have the 9k profit target, you have a Rise account. So you're gonna keep 70%, and then we take 30%. And then once you get to the second payout, sorry, I think it's 75%. And then once you get to the second or third payout, and you could see all this in the FAQs. Like if you have more questions, it's all in the FAQs, payout information, whatever. Anyways, once you get to that, I think it's the third payout. You're gonna get like a 85%, and then it goes all the way up to 90%, which is your split. How do you guys? No, Sal, we're working on it. Black Arrow will have it, which is coming out very soon. Does it matter? No. It so your account on like DX, it's gonna have a limit on the amount of like leverage you can use. So like that's already set. You don't have to worry about that. It won't let you surpass it. Yeah, so the thing is, gangster, what's your name? Uh you have to meet the 30 once you're funded, once you're actually funded. So right now you're just in the eval phase, I'm assuming. Or are you on a funded account already? I don't really understand like your situation. Sal would be cool if the yeah, I got you, Sal. I feel you. Um I typically just like switch over accounts right here at the top. It's not too bad. You have to reach 9K. So you're in the eval stage. Right now, you have a 50% consistency rule. Once you become funded, you're going to have a, and let me show you where this says that. You're going to have a 30% consistency rule. I guess it didn't say it up front. Once you get funded, so based on your profit target that you want to make, you cannot make more than 30% in a single day of that profit target. If that makes sense. Once you're funded. When in the 50K you have a 15. Vex, yes. I believe so. Yes. Wow, this was a trash PA AM session. Yeah, what Henry said right here. That's solid. This is that hits my full port nerve. Just trying to make it all back, huh? And it says one step. What? Lee Louch? What? So gangster, you're probably like once you get to the 9K profit target, it'll show your true consistency rule. But right now, like the way that you might be able to tell, look at your best trade in the bottom left corner right here. Just make sure it's not more than 4,500. And I mean, if it is, you would just like continue to trade. Like nothing happens if you weren't, but yeah, then you're good. Just keep trading until that 9K profit target. You'll be chill. Brando, am I looking for another trade? I wouldn't mind taking another trade. We're just like we're not really in conditions to take another trade. I actually took before stream I took this short on gold. This was on my other account. I took the inversion, and then we had like a 2-minute fair value gap. Some beautiful targets down here. The Louch, a while now, coming up on what, like 6 years. Have always watched Nasdaq and ES, and then obviously like as of like the last 2 years, I started trading a little bit of gold. See you tomorrow, Vex. See you, Joris. Yeah, we'll see if yeah, I don't think we're gonna pick up right here. Yeah, it's fair though to see that we're not really moving much on the indices. We've already moved like 500 points on the day. Yeah, we started the day at 25,000. And now we're all the way down here at 24,500. Probably as good as it gets. Agreed, Lexi. Would you sell if we broke these lows with some volume? Yeah, I think the the best scenario would be like we come down here with some volume, of course, some nice clean price action. We come down here, like come below basically this fair value gap, and we still have this low left, and then maybe we create another fair value gap in here, and then I would just like go short. It would kind of be like this, and then like this, but we might not get that. Is there time frames we can't trade? What? You get to trade any time frame. That's the beauty of trading. You have any choice. Yeah, that's right, Lexi. And I mean, it's kind of hit or miss. Sometimes you still get more expansion in AM session, even if it expanded earlier. But in a lot of cases, we just won't move once we've already had a lot of expansion. So for explaining with the consistency percentage, yeah, no worries. If you have more questions too, in the announcement section, I just did a video kind of going over a lot of the rules on specifically like eval, how to pass accounts, what's expected. I do. Interesting. Are there any restricted countries to legacy funded futures? I don't know. Legacy is only futures. That's right. There's definitely a list somewhere that says restricted countries. Henry, we're gonna make you a mod. No, I appreciate it though. At this point, you got it. That's right. No, but I mean, futures is kind of like it's kind of complicated. like the orders that you have and the order types. So honestly, like I don't blame you. Not much going on here. Let's look at gold again. Weird how weird how everyone called longs. Oh my god. I can't talk. Weird how everybody called longs on gold and we're just like dumping. Longs are cooked. Yeah, yeah, that's right. And Q is a barcode right now. I'm still overall. I mean, gold. Henry, what do you think about gold? I feel like I'm overall bullish, but like on a longer term scale, maybe. Yeah, I think it'll. I think it'll bounce back up. Maybe like a fair value up in here. Thunder. That's why you gotta wait for confirmation, bro. No, I mean, can't always can't win them all. Now onward, I only trade with you. That's a big responsibility. You could take your own trades too. Nah, I'm playing. You do whatever you want. I'm a pro player. I know ball. Yeah, that was a huge move last night from gold. I had a swing along. I closed at the top when we had a 1 hour break of structure. This could go far. It has the potential to take out all this sell side that we made right here. Like honest, like I think realistically it could go like down here. I guess like longer term we could obviously see bullishness, but not seeing a new all-time high this month. Yeah, that would make sense. This move was just like so strong that I think this will be the intended way it wants to go. Dang, am I obligated to take a trade now because I said if we broke out, I would? Nah, I feel like we're gonna get back to consolidation on NQ. Full port. Make everybody full port their accounts with me. I just start like revenge trading and I make everybody else revenge trade with me. Full send. That's why we're the full send traders. Gonna see a fair value gap in here. Gabe, when's the Lambo coming, Chris? Give me 3 months. With this price action. Is that your Lambo, Gabe? in the picture. Full pour my flip account with you right now. You're still holding Lee Louch? That's nice, bro. I'm happy for you. Got 32K on the flip account, bro. That's crazy. That's actually insane. You're a few more flips from a million, brother. You gotta risk the whole 32K though. Sick. We're pulling my account with this trade. Who says I'm taking a trade? Do I have to? Let me see. Yeah, we're expanding nicely. 2 minute. Have this inversion that we could potentially take. It would have to close below it, retrace, tag it, and then. So we have 40 seconds. We'll see how this closes. Last one to full pour sells is a rotten egg. All right. This is where I'm going to set my limit order, guys. I'm much lower in size now. Let's see if we come back, tag into it. If not, then if it runs, then I probably won't take another trade. See if we come back and tag it. You're funny, Thunder. Took out a protected 1 hour low on gold and bounced up. Interesting. Failed. Last 20-ish days. 29 evals, bro? You're running through evals. As long as they're cheap. I have a profit, what? I have a limit order sell on NQ. If you guys are curious right here. But it hasn't touched me in yet. Might not. It was my obligation to take this trade because I said I would. But it hasn't tagged me in. Spend 50K on evals. As long as your ROI is like more than 50K, that's fine. I saw some guy spend like this is literally like 100K to make like 180K. I mean, bread is bread. Bread is bread when it hits your account. Had a problem with Legacy Carlos. Go to here. What is it? I think it's the help desk. That's right, Krish. That's a good mindset to have because like some people like once they can't or like they might be slower at passing accounts, they just kind of get scared, and if you have that scared mindset, like you're never gonna actually succeed. Whereas if you're just confident and you don't care too much about the money, then you'll be fine. That's true, Henry. That's facts. I do not use MT5. I only trade futures prop firms because they're the best prop firms. Henry, you just gave us our number. You just gave us your numbers. Like if somebody's pocket watching. Oh shoot. Um, I guess no entry, guys. Maybe some of you guys got in on the sell, but I didn't get tagged back in, so just the low end. We only know the low end. Uh, nice play. Yeah, yeah. We tried. Didn't want to chase anything, so TP hit. Lee Louch got it. Got it in the bag. Nice bro, Austin. When New York session is bad. Interesting. All right, guys. I guess I better head out now. I don't think I'm gonna take any more trades. I got you. DM me. I got you, bro. See you tomorrow. Ghost of Stacks. See you, bro. All right, I'll see you guys. We'll run it up. We have some red folder coming up tomorrow. Let's see. Wednesday, PMI. Sick. We're gonna have some good price action. Hopefully. See some barbecue, Henry. Let me guess. You're gonna make like something like sausage based, and that's not like I'm not like calling you out on some weird stuff. I'm just saying like I'm assuming you're German and okay. I got it completely wrong.